Alright, yo, what's going on everybody? It is Smitty back with another video, and in today's video guys, we're going to be looking at how to get individual Skindex skins, or any skin at all that you can download off the internet, a .png file, any individual skin working on your Xbox in 2022, completely free. What I'm showing right now is me using a Skindex skin made by one of my viewers, Tilted. Thank you so much for making this, dude, and it is on the skindex.com, and I now have it on my Xbox using this method. I'm going to show you guys how to do this completely free. If you have any issues at all, make sure to join my Discord or leave a comment down below, but Discord is the best option, and let's get right into this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go onto the Microsoft Store, and we need two applications in order to get this to work, so go ahead and type in these things into the search bar. The first one you want to get is go ahead and download Internet Browser right here. Just type in Internet Browser, it'll pop up, and you want to get the one that looks like this once you click on it. But after Internet Browser, you also want to get Advanced File Explorer. That'll look just like this. Type in ADV File Explorer, and it will also pop up. So go ahead and get both of these applications downloading onto your home screen, and they will look just like this. So that is our very simple step one. But after that, what you want to do is go into Advanced File Explorer right here. We have to click on this because we actually need to get a different version of the application. And in order to do this, we need to open it up. So open up Advanced File Explorer. And when you click on it, you'll be met with this screen right here that says, "Welcome to Advanced File Explorer." Thank you, Tom. But go ahead and close out of this pop-up as we do not need it. We can go past this unless you want to read it. But go ahead and close out of this. Again, thank you, Tom, for making this application. But once you press the close button, what you want to do is go into the top left of your screen. And you'll see this horizontal rectangles right here that look like an Xbox. And you want to press on this button that I'm currently hovering over. And once you press on this button, you'll see these options. And you want to go to the top one that says Unauthorized Drive. And you just want to simply press on where it says Unauthorized Drive. So go ahead and do that. And after you press on that, it'll say Unauthorized Drive, but you'll see this green button right here that says Open the Microsoft Store, and you want to go ahead and open the Microsoft Store because that is where we want to go and download the new application. And then that will take you into a thing called Advanced File Explorer Full Trust, which is what we need in order for this to work. So go ahead and get Advanced File Explorer Full Trust installing onto your Xbox. So go ahead and do that. And you'll have two applications on your home screen that look pretty much identical, but remember, you want to use the one that ends in Full Trust right here. So when it's done downloading, it'll say Full Trust, and you want to make sure that you're using that one for the rest of the tutorial. After you have done this, you now want to go and locate Internet Browser that will look like this, and of course you want to open up Internet Browser, as this is the browser we will be using to download stuff because it works and Microsoft Edge doesn't work. But once Internet Browser loads up, what you want to do is you can press the button on your Xbox with those two squares on it, left of the center button, to give you the search bar on the top right here, as I'm showing on the screen. Press that button, it'll give you the search bar, and once we get the search bar to appear, we want to go ahead and type in Fortnite Heroes MC pedal, just like this. I think that's how you say MC pedal. People made fun of me for saying it that way, but I'm gonna keep saying it that way. Go ahead and type in Fortnite Heroes MC PEDL, just like this, and then when you have that entered in, you want to go ahead and press enter. That will begin the search for this term, and eventually you will see results, and one of the top results right here will be Fortnite Heroes Skin Pack 128 by 128. That's the link you want to click, so go ahead, hover over this, and press on this link, as this is the skin pack we're going to be getting, but don't worry, we'll get to the individual skins eventually. So click on this link right here, and then it will take you into MC Pedal right here, and from this page you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom pretty much, and at the bottom you'll find a link called Downloads, and it will say Mediafire link, and that is what you want to press. So go ahead, go to where it says Mediafire link, and click right there to download it. Once you do this, it'll take you to a screen that'll look something like this. It'll say you're leaving MC Pedal, that's alright. Go ahead and press on this green link right here to continue. It'll say click here to continue, and you want to press right there. Now after you press on that, it will take you straight into Mediafire right here, and that is perfect. And from this page, you want to locate the blue download button, and we just want to go ahead and press on the blue download button. Very simple to get this skin pack downloading. Now once you press on the blue download button, you'll get this prompt right here. And what you want to do is press RB on your controller, and you want to take off this MC pack ending, and you want to make sure it ends in .zip. So we're just removing the ending and making sure that it ends in .zip. So go ahead and do that step. But once you have that done, you can go ahead and enter in that name right there, so it just ends in .zip. Just do that, and then hover over where it says save, and you want to go ahead and press on save. So we're hovering over the save button, everything looks good, and then yeah, go ahead and press that once again. And once you do that, you just want to wait a little bit, and some of you will probably get this notification on the bottom. That is perfect. But what you want to do is wait about 5 to 10 seconds, and then after you wait 5 to 10 seconds, you want to press the button on your controller with the two squares on it that we pressed earlier to bring up the search bar. So it'll bring up the search bar like this. Remember, press that button with the two rectangles on it left of your home button. And then from the screen, what you want to do is go into the top right, and there will be a button with 3 dots on it, and you want to click on this button. Once you click on the button, you'll get some drop down options, and you want to go to the one that says downloads right here, and we want to press on downloads because that is what we just did. We downloaded something. So go into your downloads folder. Then at the top you will see your skin pack version 3.zip right here, and you want to go ahead and select it by pressing on it. And after you do that, you'll see this button with 3 dots right here, and we want to press that button with the 3 dots on it. So go ahead and do that. It'll give you these drop down options, and from these drop down options you want to go to where it says save as. So go ahead and now press on save as. Once we do that, it will take us to this screen right here. here, and you just want to wait a little bit. It'll say save in the top left. That's perfect. But what you want to do is go to this button on the left right here that looks like an Xbox, one down that I'm pointing at, and you want to click on this button. Then after you press on this button, you will get some of these options. It'll say this device, and you want to go to where it says downloads right here, and you want to press on downloads. After you press on your downloads folder, you don't want to press anything inside of this folder at all. Just make sure it says this device downloads in skinpack.zip right here, and then go ahead and press save to save this into your downloads folder, which is all that we need to do right here. Very simple. So we have our skin pack. Now what you want to do is go ahead and locate the custom skin that you want to get, whether that's off the Skindex or Minecraft Planet, whatever it's called. Any .png skin file will work. So I'm going to use mine right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the search bar yet again by pressing that button. And in the top, I'm just going to type in Smitty058 Skindex, as some people have made skins for me. Thank you so much. But go ahead, if you just get whatever skin you want right here, I'll just go ahead. The main point is you just want to search it. So I go ahead and I search up my own skin right here. And after I do that, it will give me some options. And of course, I just want to go ahead and locate the one that's on the Skindex, because I know that'll work. I'll be showing how the Skindex skins work right here, but I go ahead, I locate Smitty058 version 3 Skindex, and I press on this link right here. Then after I press on this link, it will take me to this normal Skindex looking page right here. And the way you download skins off of here is you want to locate the download button on the right side of the screen. So on the right side of the screen, you'll see there will be a download button. And to get the skin, that's all you gotta do is go ahead and press on this download button. Very simple, makes sense, and go ahead and do that and press on this button right here to begin downloading your custom skin. Once you do that, you will get this screen right here, and this is perfectly fine. You don't have to rename anything yet. Go ahead and just hover over where it says save, and we're just going to save our skin onto our device, and it's the exact same process as we did with the skin pack. We're going to press save, wait a couple seconds, we'll get the notification or not, either or. Then you want to press the button with the two squares on it again to bring up this screen right here. Once you bring up the search bar again, you want to go into the top right where there is that button with the 3 lines on it, and you want to press on that button. And after you press on that button with the 3 lines on it, you'll get those drop down options yet again. And of course, from these drop down options, we did a download, so we want to go ahead and locate our downloads option right here, and we're going to want to press on that. After we press on that, at the top you will see your custom skin pack right here, or your custom skin, and that's what you want to go ahead and select by pressing on it. And after you press on it again, same process, go to that button with the 3 lines on it, and you want to press that button with the 3 lines on it and go down to where it says save as we want to save this onto our downloads folder yet again. So we press on save as, and after we do that, it'll load us into this screen yet again. And then just like earlier, it's the exact same process. Go to this button on the left side right here and press on that button on the left side. And after you press on the button on the left side, you will get your options right here, and you want to go into your downloads folder and go ahead and select your downloads folder. And then once you're inside of your downloads folder here, make sure that you don't actually press anything in here. Just make sure nothing in here. Just go ahead and make sure it says this device downloads and press save yet again. So we have everything that we need into our downloads folder, all done and dusted, perfect. And we're now done with Internet Browser. You can download more skins if you want, but for this video, I'm just going to show one. But go ahead and close out of Internet Browser now. And once you've done that, we want to go ahead and locate Advanced File Explorer again. So now go back into Advanced File Explorer and make sure it says Full Trust. Once you do that, you'll get back to this loading screen right here after you load up this application, of course. And once you're inside of Advanced File Explorer, what you want to do is go to the left side of your screen, and you want to locate these 3 vertical boxes right here below the star, and you want to go ahead and press on these boxes right here. And after you press on those, you'll get these options, and you want to go down to where it says Downloads right here, and you want to go ahead and press on Downloads. And once this loads up, you will see in your downloads folder right here both your skin as well as your skin pack right here, which is the zip file right here. And the first thing we want to go ahead and locate is this zip file. So go ahead and hover over to where it says Skin Pack V3, and you want to go ahead and press that button with the 3 lines on it right of the center button. And once you do that, you'll get these options right here. And from these options, you want to go up to the top to where it says Extract, and we want to go ahead and press on Extract to start extracting all the contents of this zip file. So go ahead and do that. You'll see a progress bar on the right side once you do this, and you want to wait until that says 100%, and then it will refresh like this, and then that's perfect. Make sure it says 100%, and you will now see this new folder right here. But we don't need the zip file anymore, so what you can do actually is go and hover over to the Skin Pack 3. Make sure it's the zip file that I'm hovering over, and you can press the button with the 3 lines on it again once you're on the zip file. You can actually go ahead and delete this zip file as we don't need it anymore. All we need is that folder. So go ahead and press delete on the zip file and keep the folder. So we go ahead and delete that, and we just clear up some space there and just get rid of some items just to make it a little bit more easy to manage, and then we press yes to delete that. It'll say deleting, and now we're only left with 2 items right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and find your skin or skins, but just find one skin, and you want to hover over the skin, and you want to press the button with the 3 lines on it yet again. And once you press that button, you'll get these options, and you want to go to where it says cut right here, and you want to press on where it says cut. So we go ahead and we do that. And after we press on that button, you want to go ahead and locate your folder right here, your Skin Pack version 3 folder. And you want to go ahead and open up this folder pretty much by pressing on it. And once you're inside of this folder, it could take a second to load here. But basically in here is all the skins for the skin pack, and what we're going to do is swap out one of these skins, and it's actually very, very simple to do. And again, you can do multiple skins, but I'm going to show you how to do one right here. It's the same process for multiple. So the first thing we got to do is find a skin out of here that we want to replace. And right here, I find the Dark Voyager skin right here. This is the one I'm going to use. You can do the same one. You want to hover over this skin, and we're going to actually go ahead and basically press the button with the 3 lines on it. Make sure you're hovering over the Dark Voyager skin, and you want to go ahead and delete this Dark Voyager skin, but you want to take note of the name Dark Voyager, all lowercase, as we're gonna have to remember that. So the skin that you're deleting, make sure you remember the name of it. So I'm gonna delete it, but I remember it's called Dark Voyager, all lowercase. Remember that. We go ahead and press the delete button, and once you press the delete button, you want to go ahead and confirm that by pressing yes. And then once you press yes, of course, that will get rid of that PNG file, which is perfect, as that is the skin that we're gonna replace. So you see deleting, it'll say 100%, and then it will refresh, and it will now be gone, and that is perfect. After you do that, you want to find an open spot with your cursor, and once you find an open spot, you want to press the button with the 3 lines on it yet again, and once you press that button with the 3 lines on it, you will get these options to appear, and you want to go to where it says paste right here, because we're going to paste our custom skin into this folder. So go ahead and press on paste. It'll load again, and then inside of this you will now find your custom skin right here. Mine is appearing towards the top right there, 2021, and you'll find it. Look for your custom skin. It should have a different name than everything else. And you want to locate your custom skin and hover over it. All that we have left to do is to rename this skin to the skin that we just deleted. So we're going to rename it into Dark Voyager, so the skin pack thinks this is the Dark Voyager skin when it really isn't. So to do this, what you want to do is hover over your custom skin in here, and you want to press the button with the 3 lines on it yet again, and then you'll get these drop down options. And from these drop down options, you want to go ahead and locate where it says rename, and you want to press on rename. After that, you will get this prompt right here that will appear, and all you gotta do is, again, we want to rename this into Dark Voyager, all lowercase, .png. So just like this, Dark Voyager, exactly how it was spelled before. The one that we deleted, it has to be spelled the exact same, all lowercase, and it has to end in .png. And there we go. Again, if you're doing this with another skin, if it has a different name, go ahead and replace that name, and it's just the same process if you want more than one skin. But for this one, we got rid of the Dark Voyager, so we're going to call it Dark Voyager .png. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and press OK, and that will then refresh the skin pack. Once the pack reloads, you will now be able to see your custom skin right there with the new name, and that is completely perfect. That looks great. Make sure it's spelled the exact same. And then what you want to do after you've done this and you've got all the skins you want to go to this back button up here in the top left, and we want to go ahead and press on this back button. So go and do that, and that will take us back one folder. Then what we want to do is locate our skin pack folder right here, and you want to hover over the folder and press the button with the 3 lines on it because we want to compress this. Go ahead and press that button with the 3 lines on it, and you'll get these options to appear. And from these options, we want to go ahead and locate where it says compress on the top right here, and we want to go ahead and press compress, and this will turn it into a zip file again. So go ahead and do that, and this will take a little bit, maybe like 5, 10, 15 seconds. Make sure it says 100% on the right side before you continue, so make sure it says 100%, and you want to just let that compress into a zip file. But once you see that zip file made, we are good to go. You want to go ahead and hover over that zip file, and you want to, of course, press the button with the 3 lines on it yet again once you're hovering over this because we need to turn this into a skin pack. Go ahead, and from these options, you want to go down to where it says rename, and of course, we're going to want to press on rename. It's just a very simple final step right here after you press on this button, so we press on rename. You just want to get rid of the .zip at the end, and you want to replace it with .skin pack, so it ends in skin pack just like this instead of .zip, and that's all you got to do with that step to make sure skin underscore or just skin pack all lowercase, and then go ahead and press OK, and it will refresh, and it will now look like a piece of paper, and that is perfect. Now what we want to do is go ahead and make sure you're hovering over this piece of paper right here, the skin pack, and you want to press that button again with the 3 lines on it, and now you want to go down to where it says cut right here because we're going to cut this object also, and go ahead and press on cut. So go ahead and do that. And after you press on cut, now what you want to do is locate your skin packs folder. First thing you want to do is go up to the star in the top left, and you want to press on this white star right here. So go ahead and do that. After you press on the star, you want to go to where it says local right here, and go ahead and press on local. Once inside of the local folder right here, you'll be met with these options right here, and you want to locate the packages folder, and go ahead and press on packages. Now loading this next folder can take a little bit with the latest update, but you want to go ahead and loading the packages folder, you'll see all these things, and the one you want to go ahead and find is the Microsoft Minecraft folder right here. It can be a little hard to find, but it starts Microsoft Minecraft. You want to go ahead and find this folder and then press on it. Once you are inside of the Microsoft Minecraft folder, you want to find where it says local state. Go ahead and press on local state. And after you press on local state, you want to go ahead and locate, very simply, the games folder right here, as it will be the only option. So press games, and then of course inside of the games folder we will have the com.mojang folder. Press on com.mojang, and in here will be all of your Minecraft information. And in here we want to go ahead and find our skin underscore packs folder, which will look just like this. If you are missing the skin underscore packs folder, you can press this button in the bottom right here. There's a plus sign on it, and you can actually add in a folder yourself, and you can just name the folder skin underscore packs, all lowercase, has to be spelled the same. But if you're missing the folder, do that. But nevertheless, a lot of you will already have the skin underscore packs folder. So go ahead, locate your skin underscore packs folder, and we want to open this up because this is where we're going to cut our skin pack into. So go ahead and press A on that. And once you're inside of this folder, you just want to find any blank area, and you want to press that button with the 3 lines on it yet again. And then once you press that button, you'll get your drop down options, and from your drop down options you want to go down very simply to where it says paste. And once you press on paste, that will in fact paste your skin pack in here, your custom skin pack with your custom skin in there. Go ahead and do that. It'll make sure it says 100%, and you'll now see it in here, and that is perfect. Once it is in here, you are good to completely close out of everything. Close Advanced File Explorer, close Internet Browser, close Minecraft, and just go to your home screen. Just refresh everything here. And now what you want to do is go ahead and load up a fresh Minecraft. Make sure it is a completely fresh Minecraft. And you just want to wait. There is one more step that we have to do still, but we have to wait until we get to the loading resource packs page right here. So you have to wait till it says loading resource packs when you're signing in. And after it says loading resource packs, here's the final step that you have to do. We have to sign out and sign back into our account. It's the only way to make this work so far. But what you want to do now after you see the loading resource packs folder is you want to press your home button. Once you press your home button, you want to go all the way over to the right. Then you want to go down to where it says sign out right here. And you want to go ahead, locate this sign out button, and you want to press on sign out. Now after you press on the sign out button, it'll say choose a profile, and there should probably only be one profile here, but you want to pick the profile that you're signed into, so go ahead and sign out of your profile by pressing on this button. Once you press sign out, don't press anything. It will actually restart Minecraft on its own. Now you don't press any buttons, it'll say goodbye, and Minecraft will restart on its own. If you get a message right here that says the person who purchased this application has to open it or something like that, I'll have a fix to that in the description below. Check the description for the fix if you have that issue. The person who bought this has to open it. I have a fix for that. But nevertheless, let Minecraft load up yet again. And once you get to the menu screen, you don't need to wait for anything. You want to go ahead and press your home button once again, and then you want to go to where it says choose a profile. And we're going to want to pick a profile. So go ahead, and you actually have to pick the profile that you just signed into. So go ahead, pick choose profile, and then you got to pick the profile that you just signed out of, which is my main account right here. And you want to go ahead and pick that profile. And once you do that again, it will load Minecraft yet again right here, and you have to wait till it says loading resource packs and everything. It is a bit slow, but it is the only way to get this to work. But what you want to do is just be patient, wait till the loading resource packs is done. Right here I actually have a global pack applied, so yours will probably look different. There is a way to get global packs still. I have a video on that. But anyways, what you want to do is now go ahead and locate your dressing room. Once Minecraft loads up again, and press on your dressing room. And you guys already know how to equip skins. After you go into dressing room, you want to go ahead and you can either add a character or edit character. I'm going to press on edit character right here. After you press on edit character, you want to go to the left side right here, and you want to go down to where it says classic skins, and we're going to want to press on classic skins. After you press on classic skins, you'll get this screen right here, and you want to go to where it says owned, and once you press on owned, you will see all of your skin packs in there. So we go ahead, we press on it, and inside of here are all my skin packs, and you want to find the Fortnite Heroes skin pack, as that is the one that we edited. So go ahead and locate it, and you just want to press the plus button right here. It says plus 15, press on that, and once you're in here, you have officially found your custom skin pack. It'll look like this, and in here you will see all the custom skins that you added. It thinks it's the Dark Voyager, but it's really my custom Skindex skin, which is really cool. Go ahead and press A on that a couple times to equip it, and you now have got a custom skin on your Xbox, and it will work on servers and everything, and it's very cool. So I just go ahead and load up the Hive with my PvP pack and my custom skin. Very cool. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If you had any issues, join my Discord. Appreciate all of you, and until the next one, it's been Smitty. Goodbye.